Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. I got a new package here and as you can already see it's from China, it's from Asia and it's a Xiaomi Mi 8. It's a normal Mi 8, it's not the Mi 8 Lite, and after testing and reviewing the Pocophone from Xiaomi last year, there was only one thing missing at the device, and that is it was NFC. So, and guess what? Now the Xiaomi Mi 8, it got NFC and it's now available for maybe around the same price as the Pocophone F1. So this is, I bought it in China or from Germany in China. It cost me around 300 euro. I paid for it myself. I bought it via Banggood. It took 2 to 3 weeks to deliver. And I'm now really excited to check this device out. And yes, it's a global version. So we got band 20 here. So we got an international version. We got the Google Play Store on it. So all the things. And I mean, 300 euros. We got a Snapdragon 845. We got 6 gigabytes of RAM. We got 64 gigabytes of storage. And attention, this is a dual SIM version, but you can't insert a micro SD card for more storage. So make sure you know which version to get. 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, or even the, what was it? Explorer's Edition with 256 gigabytes. But this is a basic version here for around 300 euros. And this is a fantastic price. So on the back side we get some information. We got a 12 megapixel cameras on the back side, the Snapdragon dual GPS, and we get a 6.21 OLED display with a full HD plus resolution. So we open up the box and we see it's still black. There we see the device, and I got the black version of the Xiaomi Mi 8. I would have rather have the blue version, but this would have been 20 euros more expensive. And I said, no, I just wanted the cheapest version available. So what do we get? We get a black device and we get white charger and white cable. Why? I mean, this is not really nice looking. And if I'm just touching the cable, of course it's USB A to USB Type-C. This does not feel really nice. Why don't put in a nice cable for, I mean, you guys are sitting there in China and you can just, for 10 cents or 20 or half a euro, you get a really nice cable there. So what else do we got? We got the charger, which is also white, which comes with a normal USB port and an output of 12 volt, 1.5 amperes, so it's an 18-watt charger. So yes, so no, even though we got a glass backside, this device does not have wireless Qi standards charging, so no wireless charging. What else do we get in the box here? Let's see. Oh, there we go. We got the SIM card tool, we got a headphone jack adapter, so USB to 3.5 millimeter. So this means, yes, no headphone jack on the Mi 8. Sorry for that. And no headphones in the box. But we get a blackish see-through case here, which tells us that we got a fingerprint sensor on the back side, because we got the opening in the case, and we got some user guide, which is branded with Xiaomi. We got no Xiaomi stickers, and this just tells us where's the USB Type-C port, how to insert the dual nano SIM cards if we want to insert 2, and that's it. No more information. So let's grab the device. On the screen sticker we see what's all about. We get information that we got a notch. There's also an infrared sensor to get a better face ID, better face recognition, unlock more security thing. We got the on-off button on the right side as well as a volume bar, which are nice. We got this aluminum frame here. Okay, this is nice build quality. Definitely nice to push the buttons. I can reach the on-off button with my thumb and the volume down button with my right thumb. And the same buttons with my left index finger. No volume up, no chance to reach this without 2 hands or moving the device around in your hand. On top we see the antenna bars, we see a microphone. On the left side we see the SIM card tray opening. Down here to another antenna bars, speaker, USB Type-C and a microphone. And the USB Type-C only supports USB 2.0, so no fast data transfer here. On the back side, we got a glass backside, but no wireless charging. Within, we got a 3400 milliamp hours battery. We got the fingerprint sensor, which is easily to reach. And we got the two 12 megapixel cameras standing a little bit out of the device backside. So will it move around? Not really, a little bit if I'm typing, but this shouldn't be a problem. If I move it up here, yes, it's a little bit wobbling here and there. It got, yes, but overall, first impression of the device, I mean, for 300 euros, even you can get this device for 350 with more storage or directly here in Europe. Nice price, even if it started with 400 euros. I mean, this is the price with that OnePlus started a couple of years ago. And now we got Xiaomi here in the market, and they are bringing a device with a high end. Of course, we have not seen yet any 3855 devices on the market. So this is still the fastest chip out there on the market in terms of Snapdragon. But I mean, 6 GB of RAM, only 64 GB of storage, which should be sufficient for most of you guys. Hopefully nice cameras, and the most concern I have is the battery life. Are 3400 milliamp hours with that processor and even an OLED display enough to last you a whole day? So on the other side, I'm really excited. I mean, for 300 euros, I still can't believe I just bought it. Okay, let's check it out, what it can do, what it can't do, and how well it will perform. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.